How to make a good tea drink? The key is the tea. From 100 teas, we choose 6 teas to use as the base of Tea Factory's drinks. The flavor is natural and rich, with no addition of artificial flavors. Through many years of experience in the tea business, we have superb control of quantity, timing, and temperature that makes the best tea. If the quality of the tea is high, then the flavor is stable, and it's less likely for the tea to become bitter tasting. Matches well with healthy and low sweetness cane sugar. Tastes fantastic without any sugar at all. A drink of good quality tea with excellent pairings will make an unforgettable taste. Tea Factory. Love the sweet scent of great tea.